Ever face the frustration of wanting to cook dinner only to find your meat still frozen? Defrosting meat safely is crucial to avoid foodborne illnesses. Bacteria thrive in the temperature danger zone, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's important to defrost properly. Let's dive into two quick, safe defrosting methods: cold water and microwave. First, gather your materials: a bowl, cold water, and if needed, a microwave. For the cold water method, place the frozen meat in a leak-proof plastic bag, ensuring no water seeps in. Submerge the bag in a bowl of cold water. Change the water every 30 minutes to keep it cold, using an animated timer to track the time. This method is effective and prevents bacteria growth. For the microwave method, use the defrost setting. Place the meat on a microwave-safe plate, defrost for short intervals, and rotate frequently to ensure even thawing. Be cautious with power settings to avoid partially cooking the meat. Safety tips: never use hot water and avoid leaving meat at room temperature. Check if the meat is fully defrosted by pressing it. It should be pliable with no ice crystals. Now, enjoy preparing your meal with perfectly defrosted meat. Quick, safe, and hassle-free.